His Excellency's inclusion of a business delegation in this visit, which will participate in a Finland-Kenya business seminar. This underscores our shared commitment to deepening private sector engagement and unlocking mutually beneficial opportunities. Our two nations remain committed to the effective implementation of the Kenya-EU Economic Partnership Agreement, which came into force June last year. Our meetings also identified forestry as a key area of collaboration. I commended Finland for maintaining a forest cover of 75% of its land mass, and we will collaborate closely to draw on Finland's expertise as we pursue our ambition of achieving 30% forest cover by planting 15 billion trees by 2032. We equally look forward to learning from Finland's expertise in sustainable forest management, reforestation technology, biodiversity conservation, and balancing economic and environmental goals. At the multilateral level, we reaffirmed our shared commitment to a rules-based international order and fair, inclusive financing for sustainable development. We also pledged continued support for global climate action, and I briefed President Stubb on the outcomes of the Africa Climate Summit held in Nairobi in September 2023, including Africa's commitment to leading green energy transition. We recognize the alignment between Finland's climate diplomacy and Kenya's ambition to achieve 100% clean energy by 2030. We agreed to strengthen partnerships in climate-smart agriculture, renewable energy, and biodiversity conservation. In our discussions, we also addressed pressing global and regional security concerns. We noted the devastating impact of conflict on livelihoods and sustainable development and reaffirmed our commitment on mobilizing international support for peace efforts in the Horn of Africa and the Great Lakes region. I also assured President Stubb of Kenya's continued advocacy for dialogue as a path to resolving the Russia-Ukraine conflict. As we embark on this historic first visit by a Finnish president to Kenya, we reaffirm our commitment to strengthening Kenya-Finland relations for the mutual benefit of our two peoples. Once again, I extend a very warm welcome to the Excellencies and wish them a fruitful and memorable stay in Kenya. It is now my pleasure, ladies and gentlemen, to invite my guest, President Stubb, President of the Republic of Finland, to deliver his remarks. Mr. President.
Mr. President, Your Excellency William, thank you very much for the warm welcome that I've received here personally together with Suzanne and then our delegation.